Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for June 15th, 2018. Stila dropped the Vivid and Vibrant Ultimate Kit this morning. It's a StilaCosmetics.com exclusive, includes all 28 products in the upcoming Vivid and Vibrant collection, and will run you $308 for over $600 in products. As a bonus, you'll also receive a mini huge extreme lash mascara, mini glitter and glowing kitten karma, and a Stila lip pouch. The Kat Von D 10-year anniversary items have restocked on her site, so if you missed the first wave, here's your chance. Selling out fast. Sola Look has released its pre-order information for the Grease Pink Ladies palette. Saturday, June 16th will be the first pre-order date. Orders open at 10 a.m. Pacific. $40. The regular release date is Saturday, July 21st. Let's get colorful this summer, says Laura Lee Los Angeles about these upcoming shades. Morphe has dropped a new lip gloss in 21 shades, $8. Finally, Viseart is calling for a pop of color this summer. What shades would you like to see next? That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.